Hello friends, welcome back to Greta's Travels and welcome to the final video in the China series. This video is all about Dali, its beautiful ancient towns, its unique culture and customs, and the stunning nature surrounding it, like Erhai Lake. So what are you waiting for? Keep watching and discover Dali in Yunnan. We are now in Dali and we're about to explore the ancient town. The ancient town of Dali by day is incredible, but by night it becomes even more magical, with more lights, more people, and you can even join in at the bonfire dance at the Grand Marshal's mansion. As you walk around Dali and Xizhou, you'll see that loads of shops sell tie-dye white and blue clothes and fabrics. This technique is typical of the Bai people, which are the local ethnic group of this part of Yunnan. So of course, we had to do a tie-dye workshop and make our own traditional Bai item. It's a very fun activity during which you can create a very unique souvenir. So we have come to the Three Pagodas of Dali, which is a famous Buddhist spot, and it's one of the most important sites in the city. Another ancient town we visited during our time in Dali was Fengyangyi. It's a very small village with a very rustic vibe, which used to sit on the ancient tea horse road. Here you can visit one of the traditional tea houses and taste delicious local teas. So we have come to Erhai Lake and we are going for a lovely little cycle all along the lakeside, and it's very pretty and it seems to be very popular as well. So we have just been dressed up in traditional Yunnan outfits, and as you can see I have a very jingly hat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video about Dali. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. And make sure to like and subscribe. The China video series is over, but make sure to come back next week for a new travel video. Thank you. Bye.